Okay, so in our space shooter game, our green guy here is our player, and he's going to shoot these lasers, which we have in this green sprite. Um, in order to do that, we're going to, because maybe he can shoot more than one laser, there can be more than one laser on the screen at a time, we're going to make clones so that there can be multiple. The way you do that is you make this guy high, and let's say when the player can shoot with the space key. So you just go to your events drawer, and when the space key pressed, make a clone of myself, or create a clone. Then every time you press space, it'll make a clone, and what the clones do will have to go underneath uh, the clone hat block. Okay, so when you press space, it'll create a shot. That needs to become visible because the original is going to be hidden, like that. And it needs to needs to start from where the player is at the time. So we'll say go to sprite 2. Go to sprite 2. And then it should move up because we're going to have the enemies coming from the top. So we'll just say repeat until this is the part where that's the get ready part. This is we don't need a wait part. This is the follow orders until something else happens. It's going to do something in here until it touches the edge. And we can tell if it's touching from the blue sensor drawer. Just select edge. Once it's touching the edge, it should go away. I'll delete this clone. The order that should follow is just to move up. So just like a shot would move, we're just going to change Y by 20. And there we go. You can press space. So we can shoot more than one because they're clones. If I hold it, we got a bit of a problem. They can create way too many. Maybe if you put a weight on here. No. Let's see. Well, we'll work on controlling that in a second. There's another way we can do that. But just to go over how we made this work, we made it a sprite. We made it hidden because we aren't going to use it. We're only going to use it to clones. We can create clones by pressing space. And the clones, they have their own scripts. They're going to go to this player where the character is. They're going to become visible as they get ready. And then they're going to move until they hit the edge. That's their order. Then once they do that, they'll go away. So that is how you can make your guy be able to shoot through using clones. So that's the beginning of our space game. And the next video, we'll start working on some bad guys that you can actually shoot down, and that can shoot you down in return.